Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, all the parents and teachers. How are you all? Today we are going to start our lesson 7, that is school, and we are starting our unit 4 of New Oxford Social Studies for Pakistan for class 1. This is the book for this is the New Oxford Social Studies for Pakistan book for class 1, as you can see here. And we have already done it 6 lessons, and today we are going to start lesson number 7. So teachers and parents, first of all, as always, you know that we start from the SLOs. SLOs means student learning outcomes, means after reading this lesson the students will be able to what will they able to learn, what will they learn. So the main focus is the आउटकम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स लर्निंग. तो हमने देखना है कि बच्चे जो हैं उन्होंने क्या सीखा है इस लेसन को पढ़ने के बाद, तो उस चीज़ को हम आउटकम्स कहते हैं. सो इस लेसन को पढ़ने के बाद दे विल बी एबल टू लर्न अबाउट different activities done in a school, and they will learn that why they go to school and what is the importance of going to school, and they will know about different things and activities which are done in the school. So let's start. School. Yasir and Anam go to school. They go to school to learn many things. यासिर और अनम जो है वो स्कूल जाते हैं, और वो स्कूल क्यों जाते हैं? क्योंकि वो स्कूल में बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने के लिए जाते हैं. इसी तरह यासिर और अनम की तरह जितने भी बाकी सब बच्चे हैं वो भी स्कूल किस लिए जाते हैं? दे ऑल गो टू स्कूल टू लर्न मैनी थिंग्स. ये देखें यहाँ पे, ये इस फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर भी हमारा बनेगा. वाई डू यू कम टू स्कूल means we are asking the students that why do you come to school. You will ask in your class to your students that why do you come to school. So they will tell you that they come to school to learn many things. So this will be the answer of the first question. You will ask the students, your students, why do you come to school? They will tell you that we come to school to learn many things. They learn to read and write. As you all know that in the school most of our time is spent in learning reading and writing. They learn about numbers, they learn about the world, ये जनरल नॉलेज और ये जितनी भी SST और साइंस, हिस्ट्री, जियोग्राफी, ये सब में हम क्या पढ़ते हैं? वी लर्न अबाउट आवर वर्ल्ड. They learn to use computers, they learn to paint pictures and make things. They also play games and have a lot of fun at school. So these are the things which are commonly done in any school. Okay? तो ये बच्चों को समझाना बहुत इजी है. अब इसका आंसर मैंने आपको बता दिया है. वाई डू यू कम टू स्कूल? यू विल आस्क द स्टूडेंट्स एंड दे विल टेल यू दैट दे कम टू स्कूल टू लर्न मैनी थिंग्स. Question number 2 is, which is your favorite activity in school? You will ask this question to your students that which is their favorite activity. You will ask your students, which is your favorite activity in school? So someone will say their favorite activity, most of them will say that their favorite activity is to play games and to have a lot of fun at school. Some will say that they like painting, and some will say that they like to play with their friends. So you have to ask this question to each and every student of your class. Okay? इससे उनका कॉन्फिडेंस भी बढ़ेगा, और आप उनसे जब पूछेंगे तो दे विल बी एबल टू आंसर. ठीक है? अपने किसी बच्चे को, आपने किसी स्टूडेंट को जो सा है वो आपने पीछे नहीं छोड़ना. Question number 3 is, do any of the children in the pictures above have a uniform like yours? आप बच्चों से ये पूछ सकते हैं कि उनका यूनिफॉर्म किसी का है इनमें से, तो ये भी वो आपको सिंपल इसका जो है वो ओरल आपने इसका आंसर जो है वो करवा देना है. So here is the work page related to this lesson. Name 4 things that you enjoyed doing in school. You have to ask the children to do this activity. Okay? Some will say that they can write here painting, playing games, having fun with friends. Some will say they like to learn computers. So ये आपने बच्चों से करवाना है. ओके? ये आपने क्लास वर्क में ये करवाना है. पार्ट बी इज़ पुट अ सर्कल अराउंड द थिंग्स यू लर्न एट स्कूल. आपने बच्चों को कहना है कि आपने यू विल रीड आउट दीज वर्ड्स. आप क्लास में ऊंची आवाज़ में ये वर्ड्स जो हैं ये बोलेंगे, और बच्चे जो हैं वो फिर उन चीज़ों को बस सर्कल कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दे लर्न अबाउट सम्स, मैथ के जो सम्स होते हैं, येस दे लर्न अबाउट द सम्स, सो यू विल आस्क देम टू सर्कल दिस सम्स. Flying, do they learn about flying? No, they do not learn about flying. Do they learn about computers? Yes, they will circle it. Writing, yes. Drawing, yes. Singing, in some schools they learn to sing also. Reading, yes. Shouting is a bad manner, so it is not taught in the school. Okay. Bad manners, no. Bad manners are prohibited. Bad manners are discouraged. Fighting, no. It is also a bad habit. Games, yes. Handicrafts, yes. In some schools there is a period of handicrafts activity also. Part C is what are these? These are very simple. You can ask the students to look at this picture, and then you will tell them the names orally, and they have to write their names here, the names of these things here. If they do not know the spellings, if your children are having any difficulty in spellings of anything, you can guide them. Okay, you can write the name on the whiteboard, but let them think about the names of these things themselves. Okay, don't spoon feed them, as always I told you. These are colors. Okay, they can write here pencil colors. This is eraser, they will write here eraser. If they do not know the spellings, you can write it on the whiteboard. This is book, this is sharpener, this is ruler, these are pencils, or you can say that this is a pencil holder. Okay, you have to write the names of any 5 things by looking at this picture. Things you can do: make a list of things you can see in your classroom. This is very easy. The common things which are available, which are present in any classroom, are whiteboard, chairs, tables, desk, marker, light, fan, all these things. Okay, play I Spy using things in your classroom. I Spy is a game, and you can play this game if you want. Find out the full name and address of your school and write it down in your notebook. You have to ask the students that what is the name of their school. They have to write that name here, and then they have to write the address of their school. So this is the lesson 7. We have completed it. We have done lesson 7, and it is very easy. You have to tell the students in a very good manner, और बच्चों को समझाने के बाद बच्चों से आपने सब चीज़ें खुद करवानी है. They will do it by themselves. Okay, a good teacher is that which helps the students to open up their minds, which helps the students to bring out their creativity. Okay, a good teacher is not the one who spoon feeds the children. So keep this in your mind, all the teachers, all my dear teachers. In the next lesson and the next lecture, video lecture, we will do our lesson 8. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.